Alright, so welcome back to No Winning. We're gonna try to get a win with this. What we have here is a window mounts for the Accessport. I'm gonna explain to you why I'm putting this on now, which is probably a little late. But on Old Blue here, we took it for a drive. I've been driving it pretty, consistently. Kind of driving it around. This car ended up overheating. The temperature went like beyond the limit where it should be.
Is that fun?
But we didn't have the Accessport visible, so by the time we caught it, it was almost gonna pop, and we're about to turn off the car and just let it kind of roll and cool down. So we were basically looking at it like this, and every single time when it was a red light, we would look at it and then drive and then look at it. So it's gonna have a little visible, so that's what we're gonna be doing here, this little window mount. So I can actually be viewing it and not have a second person holding it for me like I had this last couple of times.
Your third arm.
Yeah, basically. All right, this one is from. Ooh,
SCOSCHE, dude.
SCOSCHE,
SCOSCHE, bruh.
SCOSCHE. Close enough.
Skadoosh.
SCOSCHE. So this is what we got. Some more Cobb stickers. I think I have. I don't know, man. I might got 100 Cobb stickers. Look, there's literally like.
We should start selling them.
Look, there's a set of Cobb stickers here. I'm gonna be a distributor of Cobb stickers soon. So yeah, I mean, this is really all we're doing. We're just gonna put this on. Let me show you what is actually happening in my Accessport right now. Let me show you. Come here. So I want you to really take a laugh at this. Ready? Ready? All right. Maybe you need to get the light on so you can see exactly where it is. See where it is.
Oh, let me look for it.
No, not there. No.
Is that on the back seat, like in your rear mirror?
No. Wait for it. Keep on. Oh, wait.
Right here.
That's where we watch.
Wow.
That's where we watch.
That's
it.
funny.
So, yeah, as you can see, this is actually much needed. So, yeah, let me open it up and get it going. If I can figure out how to do this. This is my first time, in case you're asking. I think it's time lapse on this, obviously.
What? No way, man.
Yeah, time lapse it. Time lapse.
Struggle.
Time lapse it. You already saw me struggle with the freaking grill. Like, you want to see me struggle that much more?
Yes, we like the struggle.
Isn't that how we did this thing? To struggle? Or to show the struggle?
Oh, tell them about the struggle that we just got right now. We just unboxed.
So we unboxed. You know what? No, I want to see your reaction. Give me this. All right. This is what we did.
All right, so we're on the struggle bus apparently. We're unboxing an IAG AOS for me, right? For my Forester, right? Which is for WRX, right? And like, oh, badass, and then we're looking at the box and it said 0814 SCI, 0820 SCI, and 0820 WRX, something like that.
So basically the EJ, not the FA.
Right. So I need the AOS for the 2.0, FA20. And I was looking on the website, of the unknown website that I ordered from, and they don't even sell that.
Wrong number!
So it's like, how did I order from that website and then I received like a totally different SKU number? So it's like, no winning. So it's like, why? So now I gotta
no winning.
Now I gotta pay a restocking fee and get the new one. So now I gotta wait even longer. Imagine if I started installing this. Bro. All right.
This is why we do unboxing videos, to make sure you got the right item. You know, for those of you that are like, okay, I'm tired of the unboxing, it's important. It is really important that we do it. So I'm unboxing this so you know what comes along with this. You don't waste your time. You don't waste our time, all right? So more unboxing videos. All right. So it looks like, I don't know, it's like an adhesive or something? I don't know.
Oh, that's that magnet thing or something. Oh no. That was it. Oh, never mind.
I really don't even know how this works, to be honest.
Don't take the thing off yet. It's magnetic.
Okay, but so this magnet's to here? Oh, okay. That's how it works.
No.
I don't know if I'm going to put this on the Accessport. Do you think we should put this on the Accessport?
No, it already has a magnet.
Does it?
Yeah. Check it real quick. Unplug it real quick.
Alright, let me get it from my unknown spot here on the floor. Okay. Hopefully it holds it. If not, we're going to have to put it through the...
Take that off. What do you mean? No, take the thing off. There you go. Boom. All right, now give it a boost.
Wait, give it the full toot. Let me see. I don't know, man. What do you think?
Yeah, I think that's enough. Yeah.
It's only $700 worth, like just
Let me see.
at risk. Let me see.
Let me shift. Do a pull. Okay.
I think it's safe. All right. So I guess we're just gonna. That's it. It's just a suction cup, and do you know how to put on a suction cup?
We gotta clean that area.
Yeah. Wow. All right. So I would like to have this where I can still put up my Cobb little visor over here, which I can link, somewhere that we've tested it before. But I like it because protects my dash, the plastic on my dash, and I don't want to have to be taking off this suction cup every single time, So I'm just gonna wipe down. I think I already kind of measured it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wipe it right here. A little alcohol wipe here.
It came with a kit.
It came with the kit. Actually, I don't even really think we're using anything from the kit except for the suction cup. So I'll give it a little time to dry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna run it here, mount it something like this right here. Boom. Move as far as I can to the window, so I can still slide the visor all the way over, and it won't really disrupt. I already kind of test fitted it, and it looks good so far. So yes, I know. I just want to give me like a napkin or something so I can squirt it with water.
What? Miyagi though?
It says to do with water. You want to add some water in this? Some droplets of water? Look.
Oh. Water? Why? Oh, rinse?
Bro, you know which one this one's like? This is like the one on my...
Let me see.
Dude, it's like sticky, look.
Whoa, dude.
It's like the one on my radar on the silver car.
Oh.
And that one never falls off. So this is a good buy then. All right, so let me see if I
that. Bro, I could buy that for my phone.
You could buy it for
with the magnet, dude. What the heck? I'll try it right now with my phone.
All right, well.
All right, put the Accessport.
All right, let's see. Boom.
Oh, plug it in though.
Oh, I bet it's gonna be a fail. Let me see.
This should be funny.
Well, the positive note is that it's not freaking glued. I can even win at this either.
First time around.
Bro, it's super funny. Wow.
And you already put it on.
And it's over.
Wow.
And it's over.
Can't get it off now. Don't try this at home, kids.
Remember from our mistakes.
Oh, man.
That's the point of this channel.
This is hilarious. It is not coming off.
All right, it's off. All right, now let's do a proper measure. Damn.
So plug it in first. That is funny.
All right.
You have to put it higher, I guess.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put it. All right.
You sure?
Let's try it out now.
Take two.
Take two. Bro.
There we go.
Finally. Okay. So now, the ultimate test. Oh. I just want to take the suction cup off.
Yeah. Looks like it's gonna stay. Is it gonna stay?
It's gonna stay, but maybe I can just figure out to remove this faster. I don't know.
You know what we're gonna do?
What?
Take a picture.
Oh yeah.
Put the box.
Right now. Oh, you know what? Maybe I can just fold it. Oh yeah, I can just do that.
Bruh. All that. Wow, that's funny.
There we go.
You just folded one
I
in,
just
or what?
folded one in.
On the other side?
No, on this side right here.
Oh my God! Wow.
Winning.
All right.
All right. So
Cool. Let's do it one last time. Let me put the light on.
All right.
Get it.
One last time. You ready?
Yeah.
thing I'm noticing is that if I don't want this to be visible because my tint is not that great, look, it's already mounted, right? Take it off. That's it. One and done. Hopefully there's not that much torque on this car for it to just pop off. We're taking off, you know what I'm saying? But yeah.
I think it'll stay.
Hopefully, I've had this for a long time, but I felt like we actually had a real need for it when the car overheated. So and that's why we're putting it on kind of late, I know, but you know.
How did you tell last time? How did you tell before it? Like if it overheated?
Well, I was looking at the gauge over here, but I mean, I wasn't looking at the gauge, and I feel like this is very like trying to just catch my attention, you know. So, but now what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep an eye on the gauges, like we had mentioned before. Here's all the gauges, and I'm gonna keep it kind of within sight so I can make sure I don't miss anything, and then yeah. So let us know what you think. Hopefully, maybe I kind of wanted. I think I've seen some out here with a vent clip. I know I've seen some kind of get mounted from over here. But I already ordered this, so it's already too late for me to change my mind. So tell us what you think. Let me know. Comment below. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Thanks for watching.
Tsomatsi.